Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how we can easily add email accounts in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is when you're going to be in like Windows, you want to go to the bottom of Start and right click on it and then click Settings. Right here when you're going to be, click Accounts, and then you want to simply go Email and Accounts under your information, and then simply click Add a new account. Now, this is how you can do it. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. You can also switch now between Gmail, iCloud, Yahoo, Outlook, Office, or different accounts. Now, that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, write down below in the comments that this video helped you, so when other people will come here, they will know that it's actually worth it to watch this video. And this is how you can simply add an email account in Windows. Thank you and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.